take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
When I tell you this wig is ready to wear straight out of the box, it is ready to wear straight out of the box. This wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace is already cut. It is ready to go and wear. Also, I did not have to straighten this hair. It came completely silky straight. There were not any like dents or anything in the hair. They package it really great so that you don't have to worry about doing any styling with this wig. This is definitely a beginner friendly unit. If you do not like doing any type of customization to your wig and you don't want to have to worry about using any tape or glue or spray or anything, you can rock this completely glueless, and there are no wig combs in this wig, so you don't have to worry about that snagging at your edges and your hair. I want to give ISEE Hair a big shout out for sponsoring today's video. This is ISEE Hair's Silky Straight Wear and Go Glueless HD Lace Closure Wig, and I am wearing this in 26 inches. And it does have a density of 180%. This hair feels super soft, silky. My fingers run straight through it, y'all. I don't even want to call this a wig install because I literally did not have to do anything to this wig other than apply my foundation under the lace so it would blend in seamlessly with my skin tone. So if you've never worn a wig, or you're a beginner with wigs, or you're just lazy and you don't feel like doing your hair, this is the wig for you, baby. Definitely stay tuned to see me unbox and install this wig today. So my wig arrived in this box right here. Very, very beautiful packaging. It also came inside of another box. Well, it came inside of a shopping bag and then a box. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. The packaging is A1. So here is the wig, and it also came with these goodies in the bottom. So it came with this eye mask for sleeping, also these mink eyelashes, and this satin cap. And the wig came packaged inside of this plastic bag here, and it's inside of this net. The natural texture of this hair is super, super pretty, y'all. Look at this. It's straight, but it's super long and gorgeous. And it's thick on the ends as well. Like, look at those ends. So here is the close-up. It is a HD lace closure. This is one of their wear and go units. It doesn't need to be bleached. The knots are already bleached on this wig. It already was pre-plucked, and it has the excess lace already removed. So this is super easy for a beginner to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of this, and then we are going to apply it. So here is the inside of the cap. I am super glad that it doesn't have any wig combs because I never use wig combs when I apply my wig, but it does have this elastic band here, and that allows it to be worn glueless. As you can see, the lace is already pre-cut, and it does have like little dips and grooves in it, so that's super nice. And throw this baby on my head. I feel like I could tighten this a little bit more, but what I'm gonna do is apply my foundation under the lace. So I am taking my Lancome Tint Idole, the same foundation that I used to do my makeup today, and I'm just going to apply it on the underside of the lace all over the closure, and that's going to make it mesh with my skin color. So once you add the foundation under the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and reapply the wig back on my head. So now the lace is blending a lot better, as you can see. If you are of a lighter complexion, you might not need to put your foundation under the lace, but for me, I have to do it. So the hair is already parted in the middle, but I want to make sure It is exactly in the middle of my head. I'm going to repart the wig. And then I'm gonna take my wax stick and just go over that parting to get it nice and flat. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and just go over that parting area to get it flat. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side. So this hair is already silky straight. As you can see, you do not even need to straighten this hair, y'all. Very, very beautiful. And it's ready to wear straight out of the box, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more simple wig installs like this that are perfect for beginners, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from ISEE Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. If you have not already checked out my last video, which was a makeup tutorial, I'm gonna leave the link right here for you guys. Just click the box to watch it, and I will catch y'all in my next video.